Magandang hapon po ng July 18, 2024 Thursday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng July 18, 2024 Thursday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 5 p.m. 3D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng Thursday, July 18, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 5 p.m. See you again later for 9 p.m. draw result of Super Lotto 649, Lotto 642, 6D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for July 18, 2024, Thursday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Super Lotto 649 is 157 million pesos and Lotto 642 jackpot price estimates is 9.5 million pesos for July 18, 2024, Thursday. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for July 18, 2024, Thursday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.